Let us find the product when 5348 is multiplied by 162. The expanded form of the multiplier is 100 plus 60 plus 2, or 100, 6 tens and 2 ones. We first multiply 5348 by the digit in the ones place, or 2. Then we multiply the multiplicand 5348 by 60, as the digit in the tens place of the multiplier is 6. Then we multiply the multiplicand 5348 by 100, as the digit in the hundreds place of the multiplier is 1. Finally, we add the three products. Thus, the product when 5348 is multiplied by 162 is 8,66,376. Let us find the product when 3179 is multiplied by 254. The expanded form of the multiplier is 200 plus 50 plus 4, or 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 ones. We first multiplied 3179 by the digit in the ones place, or 4. Then we multiply the multiplicand 3179 by 50, as the digit in the tens place of the multiplier is 5. Then we multiply the multiplicand 3179 by 200, as the digit in the hundreds place of the multiplier is 2. Finally, we add the three products. Thus, the product when 3179 is multiplied by 254 is 8,07,466. Let us find the product when 2847 is multiplied by 206. The expanded form of the multiplier is 200 plus 6, or 2 hundreds and 6 ones. Note that the digit in the tens place is 0. We first multiply 2847 by the digit in the ones place, or 6. As the digit in the tens place is 0, we skip the step for multiplying with the tens. Then we multiply the multiplicand 2847 by 200, as the digit in the hundreds place of the multiplier is 2. Finally, we add the two products. Thus, the product when 2,847 is multiplied by 206 is 5,86,482.